welcome to my channel. Today we are making double stuffed fried Oreos. These are some of the utensils and cooking things that you will need to get started. Let's get it going. First, you'll need to get some oil to fry with and make sure you follow those directions. Also, for the dry ingredients, these are the things that you will need. Next, if you just don't feel like going through all that trouble, you can definitely substitute with pancake mix. Let's get started. You want to make sure that you mix everything thoroughly. All your dry ingredients should be mixed thoroughly. These are your moist ingredients. Once you have those mixed, you want to start blending them. And you'll see me stirring here. You want to make sure that there's no lumps and clumps. So you have to go through and mix all of your milk, butter, and egg into your dry ingredients. Now, if you chose to use pancake mix, you want to go back and look at those directions for the pancake mix. As you can see, the texture of my pancake mix is becoming very smooth, and that's what you want to look for. You don't want those lumps and clumps like I stated before a little earlier. Anyways, you're going to keep mixing and mixing until you get the consistency that you're looking for. You definitely don't want them too runny. You want them just right. Act as if you're making pancakes, if you will. You want your cookies to be delectable. Now you see me dip it into the pancake mix, and I'm sitting there. Into the fryer they go. And this is my almost finished product. As you're frying them, you definitely want to make sure they're like a golden brown on each side. And now for my next step. That's right, powdered sugar. What is a fried Oreo cookie without powdered sugar? Oh, look at that slice, guys. You want to talk about something delicious, something scrumptious? You guys have to try this. Double stuffed fried Oreos. Have a great one. Happy cooking, and don't forget to subscribe.